If you want to make money online, stop watching YouTube tutorials. If you think binge watching YouTube videos, YouTube tutorials, how to make money online in 2025 will get you, this junky tutorials will get you any result, I really feel for you, man. I really feel for you. But watch this video till the end, because in the end, I'm going to give you an alternative, a solution for this problem, because it is a problem. Hi, my name is Shelton Gulele. I'm 19 years old and I make more than $10,000 in this bedroom in Africa, Mozambique, one of the poorest countries in the world. And in this video, I'm going to share with you guys why you have to stop watching YouTube videos, why you should stop watching YouTube tutorials if you want to have the results online, if you want to make money, real money online. First of all, I'm going to break down the problem. Watching these YouTube junkie tutorials will not get you any far. Why? Because all these videos are made to get views. These videos are made to entertain you. Think about it. How many hours you've spent watching these videos, all these videos, watching how to make money, how to start with this business model, how to make this, how to make this, how to make this, and you don't have any progress. Think about how many times, how long, how many hours you've spent watching these videos, and what are the results that you have? You have zero results. Because these guys, these gurus that are making content, that are recording videos here on YouTube, they don't have results with the business model. They don't have results. They make content to entertain you, to get views, to get monetization through AdSense. I don't make content to get views. First of all, YouTube monetization is not even available in my country. I'm from Mozambique. It's not available. You can research that. I don't make content to get views. I don't make content to go viral. So I'm not here to just be one of those YouTubers you see around, giving you content to entertain you, to retain, to maintain you in the video. And in the end, they don't teach you nothing. They help you with nothing. It's just entertainment. They just entertain you. They give you dopamine, like you are having a progress, you are progressing, you're doing something, but deep down, you're making shit. You're making shit. Real game don't happen here on YouTube. Real game are on the private communities, private channels, on Instagram, on Twitter. There we have the real players. YouTube is just a storefront. But there in the backstage, on the private communities, on Instagram stories, on Twitter, on these platforms, on these social medias, you learn life. Here on YouTube, you have only outdated knowledge. Most of the content you see on YouTube, all of the strategies you see, they teach here on YouTube, they are already saturated. Who saturated the strategies? The people who are on the private communities. We are saturating the strategies. People who are there on Instagram, watching the stories of people that are having results, people that are killing it. We are the ones who are saturating this strategy. That's why you watch these YouTube tutorials, these YouTube videos, you try to apply it, but you don't get any results. Why? Because we saturated them. YouTube, you're gonna have outdated knowledge. If you wanna learn, go to Instagram, go to Telegram, go to Twitter. Let's say I have a strategy that's working right now and I want to record a video, a tutorial on YouTube. I have to create a script for the video. I have to do this, create scenario. I have to record it, edit the video, a lot of things. I have to edit a lot of things. It's a process. That's time. When I upload the video, the strategy is not working no more. So you got to learn live. Speed is everything. You gotta learn live in the private communities, in Instagram stories of gurus that are having real results, on Twitter. There, you can learn live. You can see what's working now. The right strategy in the wrong timing will not work. So that's why you should stop watching YouTube tutorials. Instead of that, go to Instagram, follow me, follow other gurus that are having results. Get into my private Telegram channel. Link in the comments. Follow people that are having results on Instagram, on Twitter, private communities, networking groups, all of that. There you will find what's working. There you will find live content, things that are working right now. So that was the video for the day, and let me remember you, I don't make content to go viral. I make content to wake up digital prince. If you want to be part of the movement of digital princes, get into my private Telegram channel. There I'll record more technical information, more technical tips, tutorials, advices, things that are working right now. You will see there live. You will see my steps. You can copy my steps on how I'm running my business, my online business, on how you can start in my business model. I will not share everything here on YouTube. I will not share my secrets publicly here on YouTube. I'll share there on the Telegram channel for the community. If you are part of the community, that's it. If you want to be part of the movement of Digital Princess, link below to my private Telegram channel. And there's also a link of my personal Instagram profile. You can ask me questions, ask for support, or help. If you want to subscribe to the channel, if you don't want to subscribe, it's up to you. I don't make content to go viral. I'm here for two reasons. First of all, to document my journey from $10,000 a month to $100 million net worth. And the second reason is to wake up some princes, people that feel in their heart that they are meant to be something. They are meant to do something. They were born, that they were created for something higher. They wasn't born for mediocrity. So that was it. See you in the next vid.